This is the YouTube strategy to get more views. If you've been making videos and you've been putting in your time, your effort, and for some of you, money, but people just aren't watching your videos, here's one thing that you need to do. I'm gonna give you all the sauce. The biggest reason why people don't get views on their videos is because they don't have an eye-catching thumbnail. Before I give you the tips, it's important to know people are gonna choose to watch your video based on that thumbnail. A lot of people, they don't even read the titles anymore. They're just looking at the pictures, and you want your thumbnail to really stand out. So tip number one, do not use white or black as your background. Some people's phones are in dark mode, some aren't, and if you're using white or black, it's more than likely gonna blend into the background. Number two, you need to make sure if you're gonna have your face in the thumbnail, just have your face. You wanna have from the neck up, and you wanna have a facial expression. So being surprised, looking scared, or looking angry, those tend to get more clicks. And number three, when you put words in your thumbnails, you only want 5 words at the most, and you wanna have your words big. Try those on your next thumbnail. You can do it on Canva. It's completely free, and there's templates. Follow for more tips.